Let us suppose you have a new gadget in your hand. To know how to use it better, you need a user manual, right? In the same way, your brain is one of the most powerful gadgets you possess. Knowing how it functions will enable us to better ourselves both in professional and personal life. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Swarajya, where I share my ideas and lessons that help us become better versions of ourselves. Relating our brain to the hardware of the computer and mind to the software, this operating system functions as conscious and subconscious minds. These are not two minds but two spheres of activity of a single mind, or the dual nature of a single mind. Knowledge of this working will enable us to be more intentional, more deliberate about what we are thinking, choosing, and acting upon for better results and better quality of life, as discussed in my previous video. To go into the depth of our understanding, conscious mind is one that reasons, and it is responsible for whatever we do day in and day out. It receives information through the five senses, so whatever we are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, and feeling, everything is analyzed by the logical reasoning and memory. For example, we identify a particular problem, analyze it, give alternate options, and solve it by comparison. So, with our conscious mind, we think, plan, learn, and we are aware of it. These plans, to-do lists, aspirations, goals keep changing depending on our mood, depending on our advice from others, depending on place, so on and so forth. It is not constant. Conscious mind learns through observation, experience, and education. Surprisingly, what we do majority of the time in a day accounts for only 10%, like the tip of the iceberg. This consciousness is the smallest player in the operations of our brain. The biggest player is our subconscious mind, which resides below the surface, which is illustrated metaphorically in this figure. Conscious cognitive processing is the very small part seen as the tip of iceberg, and the subconscious cognitive processing is much larger and invisible. So, a part of your brain is always awake 24/7 and is responsible for the automatic body functionings like breathing, heartbeat, kidney eliminating the toxins, and activities like that, which doesn't need conscious effort to make them function. It works relentlessly all through the year and from birth to death, and this is the subconscious mind, which accounts for 90% of total brain's activity. It is lot more powerful, lot more resourceful, and lot more difficult to change this mind, because whatever you imprint on, it simply obeys. That's why it is compared to the genie of the lamp, which accepts the commands of its master, the conscious mind. Also, it cannot differentiate between positive and negative commands because of lack of reasoning capability. If you continuously tell yourself that you will not succeed in any particular task, it becomes true. Subconscious mind learns by habituation. It doesn't learn at a single shot. You need to do it repeatedly. For example, car driving. I'm sure we look at the gear rod when we have to change it during the initial days of our driving. But once we become well versed with that, it becomes involuntary. So whatever we do as a daily routine, like waking up, brushing, taking bath, eating, traveling to and from the work, is all because of the habits we process all this information very quickly and without being aware because of deep programming in our subconscious mind. Thoughts keep changing constantly in the conscious mind, but subconscious mind is stubborn. It won't change until you keep repeating it again and again. For example, you learned walking when you were a child. That got programmed in your subconscious mind. If it were to change often like the conscious mind, imagine we will have to learn to walk every day. How disgusting, isn't it? So, subconscious mind is designed to register the learnt program, and once learnt, it is difficult to change. So friend, what I want to tell through this video is that our lives can be far more rewarding if we understand these functions of mind properly. By controlling and syncing your conscious and subconscious minds, you can achieve anything you want. While you cannot erase the previous beliefs, you can overwrite or replace them with the new beliefs. This is called as reprogramming the subconscious mind and is a process that can be mastered. Stay tuned to my channel by subscribing it for value added content like this. Thank you so much for watching.